Huh?
Bro, so y'all was gonna sit here and not say nothing? Y'all was gonna sit here and not say nothing. Why y'all didn't tell me y'all was here? But hey man, look, scratch all that. I'm Fade Guy E. Welcome back to the channel. And today, man, we got a fire Tpob review. As y'all see what's going on, I already support the wave. I got the ski on. We about to get lit, you know what I'm saying? But look, before we get started, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love my content. I mean, I've been going for a little minute, but I've been trying to build up, you know what I'm saying? I've been trying to drop better quality. I've been trying to do better. I'm trying to be better. After this review, bro, I hope that this can help you decide if you want to purchase Tpob or invest your money with them. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now, go, man. What you waiting on, bro? 5-hour runtime, XO play blade, and the trimmers, I'm guessing, yeah. So the trimmers have a 3-hour runtime and the pencil blade. Alright, so I ain't gonna bore y'all out with opening this shit, so I'm gonna catch y'all after I open this shit, you know what I mean? Ooh, shit, but let's just go over this before I actually look at the clippers. Alright, so far we got a 5-hour runtime. This must be the clippers. Yeah, so 5-hour runtime with an XO play blade. Lit, that sounds fire. 3 hours of runtime and a pencil blade. Hey, y'all know what they kind of remind me of, bro? Y'all know the Slimline Pro, the Andis, the silver ones? Like one of the first, I guess you could say, wireless trimmers. Bro, look how small that blade is. That shit is about to hit. I hope, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully. But we got the fire logo right here. Tpob Pro, TPOB. And play. Powered by, don't ask me how to say that. But we're gonna stitch this around. Got another logo right here. Got, oh shit, got some fire graffiti. It's my bar right there, you hear me? Yeah, that's fire. Just got some more graffiti. We're gonna open it up. Hold on. Nah, I'm gonna let y'all see this shit. Alright. Open it up. Got some more graffiti right here. Got a nigga shaving his nuts. Oh, shit. Nigga shaving his balls, son. A nigga shaving a sheep. Tpob right there. Nigga got Gucci on. A badass kid. Damn. Hey, this some fire-ass art, though. I fucks with it. BBL. Yeah, look at that nigga crossing his legs. Old people do that. Blackout look. I saw the white and black ones too. I'm gonna go back and cop those. What the hell is my son doing? Kids, bro. He being a boy though. He outside playing. But look, what y'all think about this so far? Off a look. Give it a rate. Off a look. The Tpob play. Y'all hear that? That's fire, bro. I love that. And they kind of set pretty, kind of close too. Turn them on. Kind of low. I like it. And it does have a 2-speed, so slower. And that's it. Fire ass LED light. The play blade is lit, you hear me? I'm with it. Y'all hear my baby? Alright, next. Slimline Pro, bro. Look how small it is. That's dope. I haven't had a trimmer with a blade this small in a long time. And plus, you got some art on the blade, son. That's dope. I'm fucking with it. The pencil blade. And like a trimmer, they really don't have that many features. You know what I'm saying? Like clipper got levers and you know what I'm saying? And You gotta go up and down. But trimming just trimming, you know. But I like the look of this. It's professional. It's fire. I would love to have this on my station, you know what I'm saying? I love the feel, you know. I'm ready to see what they hit on. And he sound pretty quiet. They feel good. It does have a little weight at the end, which I like. I like to feel and know that my clippers are there in my hand. I don't like anything too lightweight, you know. I keep doing this shit. So you got two fire charger ports. Y'all can see that. I guess they are for the same. Let me see. Yes. Okay, that's a bet, bro. They both fit the same shit. Vice versa. Let them sit right there. That's the thumbnail. Alright, so we're gonna take this out. Oh, I did not expect that. Okay, we got 2 manuals. Y'all wanna read that shit? Chargers for your docks. 2 chargers, of course. And look, right now, I'm gonna be the only one at my shop with these. I'm gonna also do a review after like 30 days. And then I'm gonna do a cut for y'all with them too, let y'all see what they hit on. So move these out the way for y'all. Do have some guards, and it look like I like the flatter guards, so it does look like I'm gonna take one out. These are definitely different, bro. I'm gonna see if they're compatible with Babyliss too. But look. Damn, my fucking lighting is, yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's different. I never seen a guard like that. Big ass screwdriver, which you need. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find out what this for pretty soon. And an Allen wrench and some oil. So this lit, bro. I fuck with it for $169. You can't beat that, bro. Cause like I said, my options were to either buy a fire clipper or trimmer for $200. I ended up getting 2 for the price of 1. You know, these days I feel like clippers and trimmers are overpriced and the quality is ass. But I seen this and he speak highly of his brand, so I'm with it, bro. I'm gonna get to the review, and I hope y'all like this. There you have it. Tpob Play combo set. Let's get it. I hope y'all enjoyed this review, man. This Tpob review. As y'all can see, once again, hey, I ain't gonna lie, look, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. So my first initial rating was like an 8.5 out of 10, but this just past week, a few days ago, whatever, last week, I was cutting this kid, and I usually don't cut kids, you know what I'm saying? And I cut him a few times, and he would cut up really bad. My Babyliss clippers loud. You know what I'm saying? The kids are sometimes scared of noises. So I was like, okay, they booked. So I'm gonna see how this go. I'm gonna test them out. I'm gonna see, you know what I'm saying? Cause the Tpob, they don't make noise at all, bro. So I was really impressed with them. I cut the kids' hair, nothing. He usually cutting up, crying, you know what I'm saying? I love my clients, so I do it for him, you know what I'm saying? So, but he did great. No crying, no movement. He sat and chilled, you know what I'm saying? The clippers kept him calm. So usually, like when I line him up or cut him with my babyless clippers and trimmers, they too loud. So you be scared of that. So after that experience, I went ahead and I give Tpob a 10 out of 10. They worth it, man. Investment, great investment. Whether you do cutting at home, cutting in a shop, battery life fire, you can't hear them at all, bro. I'm telling you, like it's so fire. I got a coworker. They work maybe 2 chairs down from me. Turn on, I can't hear them. They can't hear when I cut them on. I'm like, bro, it's lit. And it's consistent. They feed good, you know, they fade good. Feed and fade. Yeah, they I feel like they definitely might be the future, bro. And affordable. You know what I'm saying? You saving money, you're not spending too much. You getting a good quality clipper for like down to half the price of Babyless or other competitors. So I say tap in with them. Hey, I love y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I got some more stuff for y'all. Next video gonna probably be like a lineup correction video. Definitely gonna want to tap in for that. Also, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love. We still trying to grow the fam. Like I said, I got more content. Let me know in the comments, bro. They got 2 BarberCons coming up. Y'all want me to hit them up or what? Let me know in the comments. One is in Nashville and one is, I think, Dallas or something. But check it out. Y'all might be able to see me over there or something. I'm gonna just drop something for y'all, bro. But love y'all once again, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Go do that, man. Show some love, show some support. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man.